Too many underage individuals have been committing murder in Jamaica. This is partly because criminals deliberately use minors, knowing they wouldn't face long prison sentences or, in some cases, any prison time at all. These children are often paid or coerced into carrying out violent acts, protected by the legal system's previous leniency toward youth offenders. Well, that is now changing. According to Delroy Chuck, Minister of Justice, the government is moving decisively to close that loophole. Under the proposed legislation, any minor convicted of capital murder will face a minimum of 30 years in prison, with eligibility for parole only after 15 years. Mr. Chuck explained that this legislative move is a direct response to the rise in violent crimes involving youth, and it aims to prevent the manipulation of children by adults who seek to exploit the justice system. He stressed that this is not about seeking revenge, but about justice, justice for victims, justice for families, and justice for the society at large. He added that while the rights of minors must be respected, the gravity of murder demands a proportionate response. The government wants to send a clear message: life is sacred, and anyone, regardless of age, who takes it unlawfully must face serious consequences.